think he's cute now. And akaita kureba.
Today really is handsome. He was here yesterday. Even met Bankuru na my time.
Kobatanya dzinobuda musaga.
Tizinga you know him one. Kobatanya mlungu wasiwa. He really is handsome. He came and he took me out and I'm a friend. You know, he really is a gentleman. He really is cute. He's sweet, kind, and caring.
Okay.
Today, and I think I'm beginning to really fall for him.
Okay. You know what, Ka? I feel like before you fall for him, I think you should like take time to know him for like 6 to 7 months, my friends. Hey. And then maybe you like date him for at least 2 years. And then if you get married, so you can have like a very stable marriage.
Because you really sound like Baba Tanya.
I don't know, but I do sound like him. But I feel like his advice really worked for me, and I think you should take it too. Asilili, tell me something. One. Because I don't get it. I feel like there's something going there. And why is it Anabuti Mama?
Tete, don't you know how kids are? Plus, don't you know I'm kind of related, so I'm not going to just look at me and we kind of look alike.
Oh, we can say that.
Tete. Plus, almost secret. He's going to take me out tomorrow. And you're going to get to meet him. I'm sure you like it.
And I don't like it.
Right?
Never have and never will.
Over time, it's never going. It's right after.
I gave him a simple test yesterday. And he failed it.
Uncle, you're really scared.
Iwe, Shibata. Iwe, wafano dzoka kumbani zuro exactly na 6. Iwa kudzoka nguwa dzaunoda manje tarara.
Uncle, aren't you knew where I was?
Zatonaro keti?
Auntie you kwanga enda here. Ngwani mimi na maita nyemlombo endo kumafura mepo kwenyu kuba kumusingadzoka.
Naitete.
I'll tell you what.
What?
Pawiri wenye mimi. Anenga asvika panapa after 6. Asikupinda mumba.
6.
Pana chikafu chake.
6 Bamkuru.
Yes.
I was 6 I eat Bamkuru. That cafe is just too much.
Why do you 7?
9.
Okay, fine. Andikura just kana 7. Kana na 10, kana na 12. Bada mlalembo. Lora panze nembwa. Uba wadga nembwa idzodzo futi.
Kosei.
Ndana ngakubikire.
Baba Tanya. Kwa mimi na maitanya mkaenda ukwenyu mkanokodzoka.
Azondotaura mazvinzi. Svika ikakati 10 past 6 mona donenge sinovarwere.
Bamkuru 10
You
minutes.
can knock all you want. Handivhure. Anotamani vano.
Yeah, that is.
Bamkuru is just getting hard on me, a man.
I know.
And this is really what I'm thinking for crying out loud.
We're growing up, bro.
That's good.
But I'm... Oh, I jump. Need you orange. Need you. What did you come from Bora?
What I'm doing?
Iwe.
Oh, but I'm not going to chill.
Alright, coach.
I'm going to talk about safe lift.
Let's remember what?
With the TV.
Udapenda bafuma bataphola.
Ngatazobata muni wako.
Maita. Uri mukadzi wepi wewe kuti unoita mwana wemusango and you don't tell your husband? Funga kuti anana mama wakazviziva kuti ndo zvawakaita izvi. What would they do? This is cruelty at its best. My brother has been good to you. He is a very good man. But then womuitira zvakadai, iwe how would you feel kana uriwe waitirwa bata nyova uya panapa nemumwe mwana anzi ndiwe musango panapa? You deserve to go kumusha kwenyu because what you did is very wrong. Iye bata nyaka akazvinzwa. Unoti anofila sei? Unoti anoresponda sei?
Teta usumba kando itasi.
Lily, I'm not sure if my Tanya is okay. Not her and a button.
City? Tanya? Adi?
Oh,
Okay.
Koji. Natoa bonus.
Button. Vana vanoda vabereki vavo kuti vakure zvakanaka. You remember that time Mom and Dad separated and it really affected us? So that even when he tried to come back, all I'm saying is everyone makes mistakes. But we don't have to keep reminding Munu my mistakes Aita. You know, the problem is we just listen to reply, but we do not listen to understand.
Are you okay? Chishete.
Namvura.
And I know nchina mvura kwa.
Batanya ndamvura yachirwa nemi. Batanya ndamvura.
Sara wada sawa nani?
Matanya, are you okay? Teddy said I should come check up on you. Kwapa mukiti.
Lily, I want to be a good wife, a good woman, and a good mother. It pains me now, kuti. Ndakasiya mwana wangu kure kweso kwachisafa, ini ndiri panapa ndakagara. I let him suffer for a long time, but not anymore. Kubva nhasi ndinochengeta mwana wangu ndega. Pandichange ndiri ndo pane paine mwana wangu. And whatever I eat, they're going to eat that as well.
Matanya, ipapo ndikupanzwa. But the question is, why are you packing?
Lily, decision ya Baba Tanya already it's been made. Even then did in that situation, I'll make the same decision. So I'm not going to blame him.
But you Baba Tanya wacho mambotaura nawe here, munzwe zvavanotaura. Because pamwe zvamuri kufunga sandizvo.
Lily, kana tete vambondishauda. What more? Of course, you let me go. This is not a simple matter, Lily. Babatanya is a good man. A great one. And I love him so much, Shukuti. I don't want to destroy him. I've just seen Kuti. I've brought him nothing but just my problems yet.
Matanya, this is all my fault. Didn't ndakaita decision yekuya naCD, and I never knew decision ndakaita ichasvika pakukuparadzira imba yako. This is all my fault.
It's not your fault, Lily. You've just made me realize the person I was becoming, which makes you a true sister. And I've also realized Kuti, I've been doing nothing except Kuti Ramana Utsini.
Uncle, I'm going to pass. Matanya, I want to tell them.
This is the problem. Madam. Come on, big in there. Okay, chi. Chi, happened? What happened? Talk to me. What happened?
I know I've been keeping it secret, but then it seems my past is caught up with me. I can't hide it anymore. Sid is my son. It was something from the past. The reason why I'd been keeping it from you is the way it was taken from me. So, pese patachinetsa na mari chiramba kubalanza. I've been sending some funds, but I didn't know kuti mwana ari kutambudzika. So, pakazoye mwana nadile. That's how I got to discover. Saka andizoda kukusungirira babata. I've decided to go nomunochengeta vana. Ndichambosiya Lily. But when you work things out, anotiyera tsvake. You've been a great man, and I always love you. God will make a way.
Sidi, burukai pap. Burukai pap. Tanya. Uya. Sidi, baba isama ini ntiendi. Uri kutotamba. Chakuenda. Baba isama ini ntiendi. Baba. Atumai Tanya, zvotosvika ipapo here. Oh. Is this the best decision you could ever make?
Anotiyera.
Kwa mambo taurana pacho mama taurana mukasvika pati. Bamukuru ndozvamasarudza here. Kuputsa mushonyi nemaoko enyu maviri aya nekuda kwechinhu chakaitika kare kare bamukuru. Sid is only 7 years old, manzwa. Makasangana maitanya atoita zvakaitika kudhara. Of course, I'm not saying you should not be angry about this, but bamukuru kuregedza mhuri yenyu ichienda, you're going to regret this decision you've ever made. Bamukuru, think twice about this. Mukasiya maitanya achienda, hamuchazombofa makawana mukadzi anokudaisa maitanya. Of course, she kept it a secret from me, but watching her live zvamuri kuita bamukuru mucharegreta mangwana. Musazoti handambokuudzai.
Kwenda isiro decision yakana. Mino ndangira paizvozvo. Chengeta vana pana. Just give me time but mbochengeta vana. Non piega ma piega.
Makadini ndinonzi maitanya. Tinoda kukutendai nekurudziro yamuri kutipa. Musakangana kusubscribe. Kana ukasubscribe hapana mari inotorwa. It's just that zvinokubetsera kuti uone kuti tine something chataisa pa YouTube. And also mukadzanya notification button rinokubatsira izve kuti whenever we release something tikangochisa pa YouTube rinokupai the bell actually rings pa phone yako kuti ikuratidze kuti Zviri Mudzimba is released something. So I thank you guys for supporting us. We're looking forward to working with you all the way.